Ever wonder why some people talk about trading as if it's a secret language? Today, we're going to decode that language by explaining some basic terms used in trading. This is Trader's Lessons, your guide to understanding the world of trading one term at a time. First up, the most basic terms, buy and sell. In the world of trading, buying refers to acquiring an asset, like a stock or a commodity, with the expectation that its value will increase over time. Selling, on the other hand, is the act of getting rid of an asset, usually with the aim to make a profit from its increased value since the time it was bought. Next, we have the term spread. The spread is the difference between the buying price and the selling price of an asset. It's one way brokers make their money. Spreads may vary depending on the product and the company you are trading with. Moving on to a term you might have heard, but not really understood: leverage. Leverage in trading is like a double-edged sword. It allows you to trade larger amounts than what you have in your account, or in other words, is multiplying your investment. While it can amplify your profits, it can also magnify your losses, so handle with care. Now, let's talk about the main products in trading. These are the assets that you can buy or sell. They range from stocks, which are shares in a company, to commodities like gold or oil, to currencies, bonds, and more. Each product has its own characteristics and factors that affect its value. So, to recap, today we've unpacked some basic trading terms: buy and sell, spread, leverage, and main products. Remember, buying is acquiring an asset with the expectation of a value increase, while selling is getting rid of an asset to profit from its increased value. The spread is the difference between the buy and sell prices. Leverage allows you to trade more than what you have in your account, but it can magnify both profits and losses. Main products are the assets that can be bought or sold in trading. Understanding these terms is the first step in your journey to becoming a savvy trader. We are looking forward to having you join us. Stay tuned for more from Trader's Lessons, where we make the complex world of trading a little bit simpler, one term at a time.